Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. I'm about to hit the streets for my walk. Came and got my walking shoes out of Panther. Yeah, I got a good pair of walking shoes, and I have a pair of junkyard shoes. Cheap junkyard shoes. They're comfortable, but they're cheap. Anyway, today I should hit 100,000 subscribers. Special thanks to the subscribers that watch often. They call that engagement. I appreciate your continued support. Today is the 4th of July. Happy Independence Day to all of those that live in the great USA. I had somebody guess that date. Man, one of the first guesses was today. I believe the person lives in Australia. It's the 5th to him, but it's the 4th to us. So, congratulations. The next, I guess, bag of fun that I'd like to have is for people to guess when the Panther will hit 400,000 miles. I'm going to try to get multiple sponsors for that, multiple gifts or whatever, and just have fun with that. Panther is now at about 382,000 miles. If you could guess the date and the state, you'll win a bonus. Just guessing the date, you'll win the most of the prizes, or half the prizes, or no, all the prizes. But if you guess the state, you'll win a bonus. So again, I appreciate this, those that subscribe, especially those that watch daily. Lost a subscriber today. You know, most of the time I do tolerate nonsense, but you know, racism is one that I don't have to tolerate. I believe my channel helps people. It's a channel set up to help people save money. Let me let this airplane go by. My channel is primarily dedicated to help people save money, help people learn, help people grow. That's a positive for people, I think. So when people just get on there and make flat out racist comments, harass my viewers, stuff like that, I'm just going to block them. They'll have to set up another account to watch any of the videos, and if they say something else racist or harass somebody, I'll block that channel too. So, did lose a subscriber today. According to YouTube, I gain about 2,300 a month. I lose about 160 a month. So I get about 74 a month, 72. So I should hit 100,000 subscribers in about 3-4 hours, because I'm only 10 away. So that's where I'm at. Appreciate you watching. Hope you have a great Independence Day for those that live in the great USA. Off the day, went on my walk. I also signed up for row 52 so I can post pictures. But I came in our secure parking area, and there are several vehicles with windows busted out. Somebody let a zombie in here somehow, and man, they got my mom. So we was getting ready to go grocery shopping, so I need to go tell her that we can't go anywhere just yet. That really sucks. Unfortunately, the zombies got on the property, and they took out my buddy's window And I just wanted to show you guys how thick the safety glass barrier is in between the glass. That's some thick stuff. So you have the glass, then you have the clear barrier, then you have the green glass again. So there you have it, all 3 layers of the door side window safety glass. Made a mistake, let my brother-in-law know what was going on with Mom's car, and he didn't want me to fix it, insisting that I take it to some glass place, have them put a glass in it, which means I gotta drive it somewhere with all this broken glass around here. I was just gonna go down to the junkyard, pull a glass, 30, 40 bucks, put it in here, be done with it. Now I gotta clean it up enough to drive it so I don't get glass fragments all in my face and pay somebody $300-400 to do the same thing. I guess that's what I get for keeping him in the loop. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.